Hi everyone, welcome to the post-market report for 29th April 2026. Here we are going to discuss how the markets traded today along with some stocks and news as well as bonus coverage of a commodity in focus. First and foremost, let us take a look at what transpired for Nifty. Nifty opened higher and breached both resistances mentioned in today's pre-market report but failed to sustain its momentum and lost some of its gains in the latter half of the trading session. The NSE index closed in the green as it posted gains of about 0.76% or 181.95 points to end at 24,177.65. The markets paired its initial gains mostly due to the uptick in crude oil prices, geopolitical tensions surrounding the Middle East, FYI selling and caution ahead of Fed meet. The gains seen today were mostly due to an uptick seen in FMCG stocks, which closed higher by 1.75%. Realty and Auto also showed decent gains. Volatility too saw another dip with the markets being mostly range-bound. Due to a higher close for Nifty which was seen today, levels need to be adjusted upwards with supports now being at 24,100, followed by 23,940, while resistances will be at 24,285, followed by 24,460. For tomorrow, the consolidation is expected to continue as the bullish momentum seen in early trade today failed to sustain due to a corresponding uptick in crude oil prices. As of now, a negative bias may be expected unless there are changes in the current scenario overnight. The index will be bullish above 24,660, while bears can be seen taking over below 23,555 as these are the upper and lower limits of the range being maintained currently. Now, let us check what happened today for Sensex. Sensex gained 0.79% today to close higher at 77,496, up 609 points from yesterday's close. Supports after today's gains will be at 77,405, followed by 76,920, while resistances will be at 78,020, followed by 78,460. The index will gain bullish momentum above 79,360, while bears may take over if it corrects below 75,870. Next, we will take a look at the levels for crude oil. Once again, crude oil prices moved higher today due to geopolitical tensions that were reignited with the US and Iran failing to come to a consensus regarding the West Asia conflict. The commodity broke through both resistance levels mentioned yesterday and headed higher. Volatility at the counter remained elevated. Supports can now be moved up to 9,670, followed by 9,480, while resistances will be at 9,950, followed by 10,200. As the supply shock due to the conflict in the Middle East deepens, crude oil can be expected to continue its current bullish momentum. This is a net negative, especially for emerging markets who rely on oil imports like India. Crude oil will remain bullish above 8,880, while bearish momentum will be seen only if the energy counter corrects below 8,440, which happens to be a long way off from the current level. Finally, let us look at a few stocks in the news today. Vedanta reported a strong Q4 performance, with net profit rising sharply to 6,698 crore rupees, driven by firm metal prices. The earnings growth came in well above expectations, pushing the stock higher and boosting investor sentiment. Bajel Projects shares jumped around 11% after the company secured 400 crore rupees transmission orders in the MENA region. The EPC contracts for 500 kilovolt transmission lines are expected to boost its order book and strengthen growth visibility. Sapphire Foods shares gained nearly 19%, despite reporting a Q4 net loss as investor sentiment remained positive. The loss was mainly due to a one-time impact, while analysts remain bullish with a strong upside outlook. Before we sign off, we would like to let you know that a free webinar on the topic Profit Booking Tricks, Moving Average for Profit in Option Trading will be conducted this Saturday at 12 p.m. Do check the description for the webinar link. With this, we end our post-market report for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and as always, do not forget to add a like, share the video and subscribe to our channel for stock market related updates.